Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I greet you guys according to your time. Hope you guys are good. I and my family, we are all good. So guys, we are going to be making deep conditioner, okay? So just stay tuned and I will show you how I made this deep conditioner with just 2 ingredients. Okay guys, just stay tuned. Hi lovelies, like I said earlier, we are going to be making deep conditioner with potato. Okay guys, we are going to be making deep conditioner with these 2 potatoes you are seeing from this video, and we'll also be using cornstarch. Okay, we are going to be using cornstarch to make this deep conditioner. Just 2 ingredients we need to make this. So if you are interested to know how I make out deep conditioner out of these 2 ingredients, just keep watching and don't go anywhere. Okay, I'll be explaining so you can understand it. So guys, we are going to peel off the potatoes shell. After peeling it off, we are going to be grinding it. Okay, so just stay tuned and watch. I will bring you along and show you how I achieved that deep conditioner. Okay guys, yeah, after grating it, this is the outcome, and we'll be adding it into the pot and then move to the fire to cook on a low heat. Okay, just stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I just added in a little water to be the consistency I want. As you can see from the video, it is done. So we will just have to put off the fire and let it to cool down before we strain it out. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless. So next we are going to be mixing our cornstarch. Okay, I'll be mixing it with a little water, and after mixing it very well, you need to mix it very well. After mixing it, we'll now pour it into the cooked strained potato juice. Okay, we'll pour it inside and mix it very well. Then we'll move to the next step, which is the cooking part. So after we move to the fire, you just cook on a low heat so it doesn't get stone. Okay, and don't forget to always strain it so it doesn't get bone inside. Yeah, it's done now, so we'll just have to put off the fire and let it to cool down. Then we'll pour into the container we are going to be using. Okay, OMG, this is the final look. Don't tell me you don't like what you are seeing, eh? So if you like what you are seeing, don't go anywhere, and also don't forget to like the video. Okay, so this is the final look, and I'll be adding some oil inside. These are optional. Okay, you can choose to add or you can choose not to add, but I'll be putting vitamin E, the capsule, on some of the coconut oil that I have. So after that, I will mix it together, and then I will show you how I apply it on my hair. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be applying it on my hair now. As you can see from the video, I will be applying it on this my protective hairstyle that I made, should I say 2 or 3 weeks ago. So if your hair, you did not make it like into a protective hairstyle, you can as well section it little by little and apply it. But as you can see from what I'm doing, I'm just applying it directly on my hair. Meanwhile, while I apply it on my hair, I'll be telling you guys the benefit of potato to our hair. Okay, the benefits are very nice. Potato keeps the scalp clean. It also helps with hair growth. It helps your hair grow fast. Okay, it also removes dandruff from the scalp. Okay, and is a very natural hair conditioner. Very effective, guys. It also stimulates blood circulation. Okay, guys, so you can also use it as scalp cleaning. Okay, while Cornstarch is a fantastic volumizer that adds thickness but not weight to strands. Okay, guys.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I can see my dreams, cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. Don't let go. I'll make things right, cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen no many ones that are so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
After applying it through all my hair, I will be covering it, okay? Like you can see from the video, I'll just cover it and wait for like 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I'll be washing it off and then moisturize my hair, okay? Yeah, after I'm done, I just take the little one remaining in the container and apply it through my face, okay? As you can see, you know, it's very effective to the skin as well. It removes dark spots and also pimples, so I just apply it through, not to waste it, okay? So guys, after 30 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, it's very conditioned. It's as in my hair is so light. I'll just go and wash it off and then I come back, okay? So after washing it off, this is how my hair looks. I will just apply my cream and my leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair, okay? Just moisturize my hair. This is the leave-in conditioner with shea butter that I made. The video is in the description below. You can as well watch it if you have not watched how I made that leave-in conditioner with shea butter. So I will also apply the oil that I made as well, which the video is down below. I made this oil is combined with fenugreek, jojoba and black seed oil. So I just put it through my hair to moisturize my hair and not to leave it dry. You know, breakage of the hair also caused by dry hair, okay? Once your hair and your scalp is dry, it causes breakage, okay? So just make sure you always moisturize your hair. And I will be adding a virgin hair cream as well. So after applying everything, you just have to massage your hair, massage all those products into your scalp. Just massage it, just play around with your hair and massage it. Yeah guys, this is it. It's not that hard. You can also make yours and you come and thank me later, okay? This is the one of the things I do to grow my hair. I know my hair is not that long, but is growing, so we'll get there, okay? So this is it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always stopping by. Thank you my new and old subscribers. I love you guys so much. So if you just come across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also leave your comment down below and please put your bell on so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.